Clip to save, you will be amazed.
Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my CVS haul for this week, January the 14th through the 20th. I decided to do the spend 20 get 5 that's on the back of the insert. Back of the sales flyer, I mean. Okay, they got some Pepsi products, some Dr. Pepper, Always, and some laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, and the diapers. Diapers was the main thing I wanted. 2 of my children are about to be parents this year, so I wanted to stock up on the diapers. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm stocking up for them baby showers, okay, that I gotta give. So I am going to be stocking up. So if you lovely people got some Pampers, some Loves, or some Huggy coupons that you do not need, please send them to Coupon and Crystal, because I am buying my grandbabies booty wraps. Wrap them booties up. Okay, these are on sale for $8.99 this week. There is a $2 clip to card coupon you're going to use on this. The Aquafina water now, $4.99. That's an okay price. $4.99 for a 24 pack of Aquafina. I did that. That's in the deal. I did the Dawn. The Dawn is 99 cents. Everybody is getting that 25-cent red box coupon that's going to print out when you print out your CRTs. Everybody's getting that. So a 25-cent came off of that. No Aquafina coupon. And then I decided to do the Tide Pods at price $4.94 at my store. There was a $2 clip to card coupon for this. So, and I rolled $5 in extra bucks. So my subtotal was $10.66. Then I got back a $5 extra buck. So that makes my real out of pocket $5.66, which was good to me for diapers, water, something I always need, and the Tide laundry detergent. Can't have too much of that. Okay, so that was a short little haul. I probably will go back tomorrow because I didn't have a lot of time to plan this deal, but it's like Tuesday and I haven't done my haul. I didn't do it yesterday, didn't do it Sunday, so I was trying to get something posted. I hope you lovely people are getting some good deals. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponandcrystal@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Coupon and Crystal. If you'd like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.